What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Heather's already out fishing me this morning. As you'll see, we'll rewind, show you a couple fish we caught this morning, but now we're just kind of exploring some islands that got pushed over by the hurricane a little bit. So this used to all be one big flat throughout here, and I think when the hurricane went through, it must have cut a little pass through here and a little bit here also. So we're just kind of exploring now, see what we can find. This is one of the cool things I like about fishing this area, is all this back in here cutting through there is like marsh area, and then just across this little stretch of land is the beach, the Gulf of Mexico. It's really pretty.
It is.
It's like not your typical beach. Not your typical like pretty beach, but like
Got a lot of shells
just
and rocks
different,
and
yeah.
mangroves.
There's a lot of rocks. Yeah, very natural. Very Florida, as you can see. It's kind of a little bit dangerous, honestly, because they got like these little stumps from these little mangroves that are kind of sticking up. So you kind of got to watch where you're walking. So yeah, it's actually pretty calm right now. Pretty cool though. Heather found us a little shell. Is he alive? No. He's not in there.
I think a lot of those got washed up in the storm. You dropped them.
Back in the ocean he goes. There we go. We got something. Thinking that's a snook. No, it is a red. Yeah, it's a red. It's a little one, but at least I got my bait still.
I'm on.
Are you? Oh my god. That looks like a good one. A much better one. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
I think we're gonna go in the cooler. I'm saying it now. It's a beautiful red.
Yeah, really put some pressure on them. I'm trying to get this one off. That is a nice red. Hang on, little buddy. All right, here's my little guy. Heather outfished me once again. Let him go. Hopefully I'm recording, because that was like just absolute chaos. Am I recording? I think I am.
Yes.
Okay, let's see him. It's up to you. Do you want to keep him, or you want to put him back and try for a bigger one? I'm gonna say he's like 19, 20. If he's over 20, I'd say we keep him.
He's like 19.
19, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, let's just release him. We'll go for another one.
All right, buddy.
Let's see him. I get a little phone video too. Hang on. Look at that beauty. That's a good start to the day right there.
I've never taken a picture of the fish like this. He's just hanging out. I feel like
He's just chilling.
I could pet him.
I think he likes you.
All right, I'm gonna let you go, buddy.
All right, let's see the release.
I can't do a good release.
That's all right. Yeah, just set him free. He's good to go. Oh, and he splashed you. He said you took too long.
It's all on my face.
Ah, no. That's a redfish. Look at you, killer. He is putting up a good fight?
Yeah.
He looks solid. Don't let him go into the boat. Reel down. Oh. There you go. That's a good one. Oh, Jesus. Boat flip him here.
I had to pull him
Bring it on me.
Nah, he looks like another 18, 19. Oh no.
That's alright. He's okay. You want me to measure him or no? I'll do it.
Maybe for my reference.
Yeah, he's 19.
Looks like my other guy. It looks like the one I just caught.
Not the same one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because the other one had 2 spots.
Oh, I only saw one.
Mm-mm. Alright. Are you kidding me, girl? Jeez, ow. No. What was it?
A little dolphin. No, it's not what
Oh, that's a red? That's a solid one. That's a little bigger, yeah, for sure. I'm thinking. You think?
I think he's a little bigger, maybe like by an inch. I mean, nah. I don't know. We've learned not to get like greedy, but at the same time.
Drop here.
No.
He's actually smaller.
We need a 20.
Need a 20. All right.
A minimum 20.
That didn't work.
Hang on.
That's okay. I got the leader. One thing you don't ever want to do is grab the line by the braid. Always want to grab by the leader. Sometimes if you can keep them in the water too, they a little bit more calm. They come out, they start seeing that killer miller. They're like, oh God, she's gonna eat me. I've heard about this lady. They tell stories about killer miller here in the marsh.
What would they be telling about killer miller as opposed to salt the wound?
The salt the wound comes out fishing more. Killer miller somehow catches bigger fish. Good catch though. Dude, you're on fire, babe. This is your fourth like 20-inch redfish.
Yes, you got it. You can fight.
I'm gonna just leave mine out there. I gotta up my chances here.
Oh, I needed a day like this.
Right? This is the day fishermen live for. What do you think? He's 19, probably.
He's not 20.
Nah, we'll throw him back. That's probably because there's a big school of them. You just gotta weed through the little ones.
Yeah.
So you can get on the big ones. Oh, he's going. No. What is this? Oh my God, it's a stingray.
No.
I think.
Based on the pole.
I think I'm just gonna break them off.
How do you do that? Just keep pulling against it
No, you gotta get them to lay down on the ground.
and pull up?
And then you hold the bail like this, right?
Yeah.
And just straight at him, right?
Yeah.
He's not on the ground yet. He's pretty good size though, look at him.
What is it better than just cut it?
No.
Well, he's just gonna have leader pain.
No, it breaks at the hook. So you hold it, just like that. Actually, I got my hook back. Well, I got my hook back, but it's straightened. Yeah, that's not a stingray. That looks like a good fish.
Fight. First one was a whole drag.
All right. Girl, you killing it today.
Alright, I think this one's going.
This one's a cooler fish. It's going in the esky. I was gonna say, oh, look out, look out. Yeah, that one looks solid. That looks solid.
It's almost the same.
Whoa, relax.
He looks the same. I swear I'm catching the same fish.
You're not catching the same fish.
Guys, I have got the same fish 5 times.
There's no way. He's smaller. He's like 18.
He had more willpower than the other ones.
Sometimes smaller ones do fight hard. That's like 5 keepers for you. I say we let them go though. We're gonna throw you on a new bait.
We've said 20 inches. We've got a minimum. We've said it.
So you can keep them at 18, but Heather and I are deciding that we're gonna at least keep, it's gotta be over 20 today. There we go. He's solid. I think I'm keeping this one. What do you think? Or we risk it for the biscuit and let him go? Jesus. He's right there. A little over 19.
Yeah, he looks like he's probably worth it.
Another red on the boat.
If only I had cinematic mode, I could make it epic.
I'll take him. I thought we said over 20.
I said we're rounding up.
I say we let him go.
Okay, it's your call.
Yeah, I say we let him go.
Okay, it has slowed.
It's slowed down, but I still have hopes for a snook today.
Whatever our date meal is gonna be, you're gonna pay for it if we have to buy.
Jesus!
He knocked it.
Yeah.
Maybe that was a sign he was supposed to go back. He was so full of
Because he
life.
thumped it so hard. Alright, you ready to rock and roll? Good? Just stumbled upon a dolphin. Look at him. Look at him. He's swimming with us. That is so cool. He's pretty big. They look so much bigger when they come up close like that.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how much dolphins weigh. He looked like he's... Oh, look, there's a bunch of them. He looked like he was, I don't know, 300 or 400 pounds. No matter how many times I see dolphins, they're always fun to see. He went right under the boat. That was cool. Yeah, I think they're much smarter. Manatees don't move very fast either. It's not very deep right here. It's only maybe a foot or two. Well, I say a foot or two, it's definitely 2 feet. Now just gotta find a place to anchor up. All right, new hammock, let's test it out. Whoa. Definitely gotta be careful. That'll work. There we are, our new hammock. Our new boat hammock. Let's see you try it out. I think you can sit on either side, it doesn't really matter. Sure. What's that? Like a little cocoon.
My cocoon now.
So it's a two-person, so it's wide enough that you can actually wrap it all the way around. So maybe do some camping on this thing in this new hammock. What do you think? For $10, I mean, hey, you can't beat that.
That's very true.
The single person was $10, so technically this one was 17. Still not bad though. I mean, for just a little boat hammock to have to chill out on the islands every now and then.
Yeah, it's nice.
So Heather and I found this little island here, and luckily nobody's on it, so we are just chilling out right now. As you can see, some birds out there hanging out. Kind of wraps around. Tide's going out now, so the island's getting a little bit bigger, but usually you can see like the tide's way up here, so this island's like very, very small. Probably 120 feet from one side to the other. There we are. Now we got our snacks, our hammock, and we got a bait out in the water, so maybe we'll get lucky. Are we on? All right, we're packing it up. The little hammock worked out pretty good. There's the brand if you guys want to look it up on Amazon. I think there's like a million options out there to buy them, but I mean, it worked out pretty good for 17 bucks. I'll take it, you know? So we got a storm rolling in, as you can see, way out there. So we're gonna play it safe. We're gonna roll back in right now and see you in the next one. Peace, and thanks for coming with us.